Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Samsung Galaxy A17. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices. To download my favorite app I use to transfer, which is Send Anywhere. I tested it multiple times across multiple devices, so I can assure you this one will work. When it's ready, you need to launch it and set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. It only sounds difficult, but actually it's really easy. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Then allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. Following that, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Google Pixel, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. Now, when you want to continue, select Send next to Selected at the bottom of Google Pixel. Quick tip: if you decided to transfer any app, you will see this pop up. Don't worry, just click OK. And then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Then decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on scanning icon available under User Guide on Samsung. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point to your device's camera, add the code, then wait. Personally, I always input this key to not move my devices while recording. To use it too, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And then to connect, hit Receive button. Close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!